First Amendment protects individual rights to freedom of speech, religion, press, assembly, and petition. Ensures democracy and personal freedom by preventing retaliation for expressing ideas or requesting government changes. Second Amendment protects the right to keep and bear arms, supporting self-defense and collective security. Third Amendment prevents the government from forcing citizens to house soldiers during peacetime without consent, emphasizing privacy and property rights. Fourth Amendment protects against unreasonable searches and seizures, requiring law enforcement to obtain a warrant based on probable cause. Ensures privacy and security in personal property. Fifth Amendment provides legal protections including protection against self-incrimination, guarantees due process, prohibits double jeopardy, and ensures compensation for the taking of private property for public use. Sixth Amendment ensures the right to a fair and speedy trial, the right to know the charges, confront accusers, obtain witnesses, and have legal representation. Fundamental to the justice system. Seventh Amendment guarantees the right to a jury trial in civil cases involving property or money disputes, preserving the role of juries in protecting individual rights. Eighth Amendment prohibits excessive bail, fines, and cruel and unusual punishment, ensuring fair and proportional penalties. Ninth Amendment states that the enumeration of specific rights in the Constitution does not deny other rights held by the people, protecting unenumerated rights. 10th Amendment clarifies that powers not delegated to the federal government are reserved to the states or the people, emphasizing federalism and limiting federal power. 11th Amendment limits the ability to sue states in federal court without consent, protecting state sovereignty. 12th Amendment modifies the procedure for electing the president and vice president to ensure they are elected on separate ballots, promoting a clearer election process. 13th Amendment abolishes slavery and involuntary servitude except as punishment for a crime, marking a significant change in American society. 14th Amendment grants citizenship to all born or naturalized in the U.S., guarantees equal protection under the law, and extends civil liberties. 15th Amendment prohibits denying the right to vote based on race, color, or previous servitude, advancing civil rights. 16th Amendment authorizes the federal government to collect income tax without apportioning it among states based on population, enabling government revenue. 17th Amendment establishes the direct election of U.S. senators by voters, enhancing democratic governance. 18th Amendment initiates prohibition by making the manufacture, sale, and transportation of alcohol illegal, aiming to improve social conditions but leading to unintended consequences. 19th Amendment extends the right to vote to women, marking a significant milestone in gender equality. 20th Amendment changes the dates for the start of presidential, vice presidential, and congressional terms and addresses presidential succession. 21st Amendment repeals the 18th Amendment, ending prohibition and allowing states to regulate alcohol. 22nd Amendment limits the presidency to 2 terms, responding to Franklin D. Roosevelt's 4-term presidency to prevent indefinite re-election. 23rd Amendment grants residents of Washington, D.C. the right to vote in presidential elections, addressing representation issues. 24th Amendment prohibits poll taxes in federal elections, eliminating a barrier to voting for low-income individuals. 25th Amendment clarifies presidential succession and procedures for addressing presidential disability. 26th Amendment lowers the voting age from 21 to 18, recognizing the maturity and citizenship responsibilities of younger adults. 27th Amendment delays congressional pay changes until after the next election, promoting accountability and fairness in salary adjustments.